Hello and welcome to this challenge video. I'm going to be using my Goodman's 1080p action camera handheld in its case and take you shopping with me. I'm basically buying a pair of trainers and I'm going to use this camera just to get some raw footage to give you an example of how good this camera is if you were to use it as a shopping vlog type camera. The audio has been recorded separately on a microphone. Be sure to check out my other videos about this action camera as it is one of the better cheap 1080p action cameras to use.